Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this new ginger color wig. This hair is brought to you by Megalook Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install and styling tutorial. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we're going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a nice little goodie bag, which came with eyelashes, a head wrap, an edge control brush, and hair accessories. So in this box, I received an 18-inch, 180% ginger color wig with adjustable straps and combs, a nice little natural hairline. I was really impressed with the elastic band and the natural looking knot. This unit is human hair at a body wave texture. So this unit did not need to bleach its knots. The knots came perfectly. So that's something I was super impressed with. And it was super easy to pluck this unit. As you can see, they didn't give too much lace space around the ear area because you can see the tracks. You see that right there. So just be careful with plucking this unit when before applying it. But overall, I was super impressed with the hairline. I didn't have to do too much customizations. I did forget to mention that this unit is a 13x4 lace wig, so it only gives us 4 inches of parting space towards the middle of the head, while there's only about 1 inch to 2 inches of parting space around the ear area. So you already know what time it is. It's time to install this unit. So I'm prepping my hair, making sure it's oiled up and gelled back. Wipe your skin with alcohol wipes before applying your ball cap method if you do choose to do that. I am taking my Eben Wonder spray. After it dries up, which it dries up really fast, you guys, I cut off the excess mesh cap, and then don't forget your concealer. And apply that to your wig cap as well as your wig not closure but frontal. So here I'm going to apply this unit. So you guys already know, you see a bunch of my hair tutorials, so it's time for me to jam out and show you guys another song that I've been digging lately. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys vibe out to the music while you watch me install this unit.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah. Can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford you. the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah.
I hope you guys loved that song. So as you saw, I had to apply my foundation brush to the lace because I was applying makeup while I was installing this wig, so the lace was not gonna match my makeup skin. So I just went over with my foundation brush over the lace, and it decided to melt and look more natural than it was looking very ashy. Here I'm just curling my wig and using the She products. She products works really good on like 613 type hair. This texture feels like 613 hair, so it doesn't it sheds a little bit because it is processed hair. So definitely use products that will minimize frizz and like increases shine. So She is really good, as well as BioSilk. But here, as you can see, the lace melted. It looks really good. I was kind of surprised, very surprised. This is actually a really good wig for it to be a process colored wig, so that's super exciting. Here I'm just wiping off with my alcohol wipes on my baby hairs, just so I can loosen it up and get rid of all the crispiness that I applied, and then finishing it off with my hot comb, and then cutting the baby hairs and curling them with my pencil flat iron. Definitely take your time with your baby hairs, you guys. I was feeling very simple baby hairs, so here they're very thin, and I use the She hairspray, which is not too strong of a hairspray to lay my baby hairs down. So once I swoop them and like the position, I just go over with my hairspray and then rebrush it down so it can stay there for a little bit without it looking very crispy. Yeah, I love how the side part looks on me. It's giving very much, I forgot that character on the Goofy movie, but you know what I'm talking about, right, y'all? Comment down below what character that name is, but it's giving me very much of that with this hair color. This is my first time ever trying this hair color out, and I was kind of scared at first, but it came out really good. Here is the result of me curling my hair and all that. Get a white tooth comb and brush and comb away from your face, and then push the hair towards your face, if that makes sense. This hair is already 18 inches. It was layered perfectly. I did not have to cut it. There was like very minimal like customization to this wig. So if you're looking for a colored wig with minimal customization and just less work on you, this wig is it, honey, and it's perfect for the fall. But that's basically it. This is the result. It's so luscious and beautiful. I want to thank you so much, Megalook Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, I said share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like